Welcome back to AutoCarsPlay. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation, comfort, and performance with the all-new 2026 Honda CR-V, the SUV that continues to set the benchmark for what a modern family car should be. Honda has once again raised the bar, blending futuristic design with advanced hybrid technology and cutting-edge features that redefine versatility and style. At first glance, the 2026 CR-V looks sharper and more premium than ever. Its redesigned front fascia showcases a bold grille, sleeker LED headlights, and an aerodynamic silhouette that not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves overall efficiency. Honda has gone for a more athletic and confident stance, giving this CR-V a road presence that's impossible to ignore. The sculpted body lines, 19-inch alloy wheels, and refined LED taillights perfectly complement its upscale and adventurous personality. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a compact SUV. The 2026 CR-V's interior is built around comfort and technology. The soft-touch materials, redesigned dashboard, and panoramic sunroof create an airy, sophisticated atmosphere. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Bose sound system that makes every drive more immersive. The new CR-V also gets enhanced cabin insulation for a quieter, smoother experience on long trips. Under the hood, Honda continues to push toward electrification. The 2026 CR-V is available in both traditional turbocharged and hybrid powertrains. The hybrid variant features a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine paired with two electric motors, delivering impressive fuel efficiency and quick acceleration. With improved power delivery, the hybrid CR-V offers a dynamic driving experience while maintaining Honda's legendary reliability. The all-wheel drive system has also been refined to deliver better grip and control, making it equally comfortable on city streets or weekend adventures. Safety has always been a cornerstone for Honda, and the 2026 CR-V takes it even further with the latest Honda Sensing Suite. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, collision mitigation braking, and even a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. Every aspect of the new CR-V has been designed to make your drive safer, smarter, and more connected. What really makes the 2026 Honda CR-V stand out is how seamlessly it balances practicality with performance. Whether you're commuting to work, heading on a family road trip, or exploring new destinations, this SUV is built to handle it all. The spacious rear seats, huge cargo area, and hands-free power tailgate add layers of convenience that families will absolutely love. In short, the 2026 Honda CR-V isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution. It's smarter, stronger, and more efficient, designed for drivers who expect more from their vehicle. Honda has truly crafted a masterpiece that blends everyday usability with futuristic innovation. So, if you're looking for a next-generation SUV that delivers on every front: performance, comfort, safety, and technology, the 2026 Honda CR-V might just be your perfect match. Stay tuned to AutoCarsPlay for more exciting reviews and upcoming car reveals, and as always, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.